In this video, I'm going to teach you how to watch YouTube on Apple CarPlay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I want to make it very clear. Watching YouTube directly on Apple CarPlay is generally not supported natively by Apple due to the safety concerns, so they are trying to minimize the driver distraction. Because of this, by design, they don't include the standard YouTube app on Apple CarPlay. However, people have developed external applications and workarounds to get this done, so in this video I'm going to showcase one of those workarounds. You will need to install something on your iOS device, so your iPhone, and then you will have to use that alternative application to set up and use YouTube. Keep that in mind. So, the main way that you can do this without any modifications is by using the Safari browser. However, it is very limited. If you want to try, simply open the Safari web browser and go to youtube.com, and you should be able to access the website and watch basic videos. Alternatively, if you want an application that has support and is developed for this, then look into CarTube. Other applications exist like TDS Video and so on, but this is the one that I would recommend. CarTube makes playing YouTube videos on Apple CarPlay possible without an iOS jailbreak. So all that you have to do is choose the latest iOS releases and download it here. Ideally, you would be downloading this directly on your iOS device. Watching YouTube in CarPlay with the CarTube app on iOS 18 is impossible, so keep that in mind. If you have an older version, then you should be able to stream YouTube, so download it from here and run the installer on your iPhone. After it is installed, you will be able to open YouTube on Apple CarPlay using that external application CarTube. I hope I was able to help you on how to watch YouTube on Apple CarPlay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.